Okay, YouTube, we're on the bench again to open up another vehicle. I ordered these from overseas. I think I've said this before. And I have no idea what's in them when they show up. A lot of these come out of California, and I'm sure they're shipped from overseas and then come out of California. And I don't remember what I ordered or when I ordered it and when I was going to get it. So let's check this one out. Oh yeah, okay. This is a Willys MPG 1/10 scale. And I, again, bought this mostly for the body. But it looks like it's got a convertible top. It says HONTAI is the company who makes it. Hontai. But I bought it for the body, the 1/10 scale Jeep body. And again, I think I paid 40 some bucks for it. It is 1941's Jeep. And again, you know, I'm sure these are not licensed in any way, shape, or form. But I bought this again, as the last video you've seen, I had what's called the D90. I bought it for the body, the plastic body. Man! This is not a kit. This is completely built. And it has, what I think, has some pretty good detail to it. Comes with a pretty crappy controller, but it's got seats, it's got shifting knobs, steering wheel, mirrors, tools on the side. I don't even know what that, oh, it's an axe. And it says that it comes with a canopy, but I see no canopy. I just threw the box, so let's check the box. No, it didn't come with the canopy like they put on the box. But this is a 1/10 scale Jeep. And it has leaf springs. It has lights. It also has a battery and a controller and a small USB charger. But the Jeep part of it is what I was looking for, to go along with some of my other military vehicles. But this is a 1/10 scale. Actually, those leaf springs feel pretty cool. It's got a gas can. That fits in the back. Not bad. Looks good. You can buy these on Amazon for about between 40 and 60 bucks, depending on when you catch them and who you buy them from. There's several companies that sell them, but the price of bodies nowadays, this kind of gives you a body to work with for projects. So a lot of these things are just bought to take care of some projects I want to take care of. But I can't believe it didn't come with the canopy. But, you know, that's what happens when you order from overseas. And again, this 1/10 scale, 1940. It says convertible cloth, but it didn't come with a convertible cloth. But I think you can actually order it, but it probably costs as much as the doggone Jeep does. So we'll just go with this. It's got a lot of numbers on it, but you can find this on Amazon. I didn't order it from Amazon. I ordered it several months ago, but it is on Amazon. It says it's got front and rear lights, realistic chassis, pursuit of realistic details, model rudder, deflection can be adjusted, 4 drive, stepless speed regulator, whatever that means. Has that steering trim, throttle trim, and throttle DR. Interesting. Alright, Willys MP Jeep. Development history, specifications, and performance. U.S. Army High Command announces a tender for developing a lightweight command and reconnaissance vehicle. American Bantam Willys Overland Motors and Ford won the tender. The Willys Model MP from the Willys Overland Motor Company won the tender. The Willys Overland Mana and Ford Motor Companies were commissioned to mass produce these vehicles. My grandfather built the first Jeeps in the 40s. He worked at a company called Continental Motors in Muskegon, Michigan, and they built these Jeeps. I think mostly they built the motor that goes in them, but they also tested them there. Now they test tanks at that same facility in Muskegon, Michigan. They tested tanks in the 40s, 50s, and 60s and 70s also. But now they just test tanks and other military vehicles there. So here we go. Not a bad looking Jeep, if you ask me. And of course you didn't. Alright, well thanks for watching. We'll see you on the flip side when we come back to this channel with some more unboxing.